Hi everyone, and welcome back to AgeWiser. Today we'll be exploring the AgeWiser Journal feature, a fantastic tool to capture your thoughts, experiences, and memories. What is the journal? The AgeWiser Journal is your personal space within the app. You can use it for anything you like, from daily reflections to recording special events or tracking your progress with the app's exercises. Adding a new journal entry. Let's see how to add a new entry. On the AgeWiser home screen, simply tap the Journal tab. Here, you'll see two options. Previous entries. This section displays any existing journal entries you've created. Add button. Tap the plus sign button at the bottom of the screen to create a new entry. Once you tap the plus button, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can add a title. Give your entry a descriptive title to help you remember it later. Write your entry. In the body text area, write down whatever you wish to capture. You also have the option to write your text using a voice command. It could be a daily reflection, a poem you wrote, details about a special event, or even your thoughts on the exercises you did that day. Editing and deleting entries. Need to make changes to an existing entry or want to remove it completely? No problem. Select an entry. In the journal list, simply tap on the entry you want to edit or delete. Or edit or delete buttons. Once you've selected an entry, you'll see edit and delete icons on the screen. Tap the edit icon to make changes to the title or body text of your entry. Tap the delete icon to permanently remove the entry. We hope this video helped you understand how to use the AgeWiser Journal. Remember, your journal is a personal space to express yourself freely. So write, reflect, and capture all the beautiful moments in your life. Happy journaling!